What's up, guys? And today we're playing Subway Surfers. It's a Christmas theme, which is awesome. I love the graffiti work that he's doing and that they've got up here. And yeah, I'm trying to get this board, so hopefully I can get one more key because I need 20 to get it, and I also need 20 to get that one. So I need a lot of keys because I want all these boards, especially that one. That one's probably going to be the first one I get if I can get another key. As a matter of fact, let's see. Let's collect. Sweet. 800 coins. Nice. There should be a free key somewhere around here. Let's see. I'm not gonna make you guys watch a ad, so let's just get the show on the road. Got Santa Claus chasing after me this time. You're not gonna catch me, Santa Claus. Get all these coins. As you can already tell, I've started getting the word already. Sorry about that, guys. But the word is fresh that we're trying to get. Gotta watch out for the trains, too. Otherwise, you'll get hit and die. And I don't want to die. Ouch. As you can tell, I almost died there. Santa Claus almost got me. Let's make it a little bit more interesting and use a board for you guys. Yes, I know this is in the shape of a coffin because it was a Halloween thing. And I haven't played this since Halloween, so yeah, you guys get to see me play it for the first time since Halloween. I turned all the music off for this game, so that way I don't get copyrighted. Because Lord knows I don't need that. If you're liking these videos, let me know in the comments. And be sure to subscribe, because if this gets enough interest, I'll be doing stuff like this more often. You can't see my face because I'm doing it on my phone, and I'm not sure what app I could use to do a double screen, but hey, if you know of any, let me know in the comments. I don't own a laptop, so that's kind of my disadvantage. Sorry, guys. Ooh. This game is so much fun. If you haven't played it yet, you guys need to. It's in the App Store on your phone. If you use iTunes, it's there, I'm sure. Google Play, it's there, which is what I have for all you Android users. Man, I needed that jetpack. Make sure I get these two. I gotta get 30 of them. Holy crap. Almost messed up there, y'all. But yeah, guys, let me know if you enjoy this video in the comments below. And if you're new, please be sure to subscribe for more awesomeness like this right here, because I love playing this game. I have a few more other games I could play that's on my phone too, but I just really missed this one, so I was like, let's play this one and record it for the viewers. I haven't done a video in a few days. Also, I would like to let you guys know, I'm gonna use a key, let you guys know that Wheelchair Outdoors, which is my outdoor page, has a online store now, which will be in the description as well. So be sure to check that out and buy you some awesome merch. Getting faster now, y'all. Ooh, another jetpack. Ooh. I know I missed a couple of those. I normally do. Ooh, I almost messed up. Not gonna give me this time. It got me, but if you pull out a board right before you die, it'll save you. Sorry about that Facebook thing, guys. And I died. So, yeah. Let's open up the box. I got 3 hoverboards. Open another box. Got 271 coins. Let's see what my high score is. Alright, 521,250. Let's see what place I made it in the top run for this week. So I think I did play it a few times now that I think about it. Let's see what I got. Sweet. Another diamond thing. With 2 million... No. Oh yeah. 2,311,250. I had a brain fart for a second, guys. I can't even tell my numbers. But anyways, if you guys enjoyed this, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe and comment down below if you want more of this. Until next time, guys, thank you and God bless.